An infinitely long positively charged straight wire has a linear charge density lambda coulomb per meter. An electron is revolving around the wire as its center with a constant velocity in a circular plane perpendicular to the wire. Deduce the expression for its kinetic energy. B. Plot a graph of the kinetic energy as a function of charge density lambda. This is a CBSE question. So, here we have an infinitely long wire and which is having a positive charge distribution, and an electron is revolving around it in a circular path. So here we know that because of this positive charge distribution, there will be an electric field in this direction, in all directions, and the value of electric field at any distance r from the center is lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon 0 r. We have already done this derivation. So, since the electron is revolving around it, the charge of the electron is negative. So, this electric field direction is in the outward direction like this. So, this electron and this electric field will have a force of attraction, and this electron will be attracted towards the center. So, we can say that the electrostatic force of attraction will be providing the necessary centripetal force for the electron to move around the circular path. So here we can write down the electrostatic force of attraction is equal to mv square by r. Since this force is perpendicular to this electron will be revolving in a circular path. Hence we can write down electrostatic force is equal to mv square by r. And here electrostatic force we can write down charge of the electron into the electric field, that is equal to mv square by r. Already we know the value of electric field. After substituting the value, we will be getting E into lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon 0 r is equal to mv square by r. So you can cancel the term r on both the sides. Now you will be getting the expression for the kinetic energy. So mv square we can write it as E lambda divided by 2 pi epsilon naught. Here we need to calculate, the first part of the question is deduce an expression for its kinetic energy. So you know that kinetic energy is nothing but half mv square. So half mv square will be equal to, just multiply by 1 by 2 on both the sides. So you will be getting mv square is E lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught. So half mv square will be E lambda divided by 4 pi epsilon naught will come. Yeah, just multiplying by half on the other side. So we got the expression for kinetic energy as half mv square is equal to E lambda divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So this is the A part of this question. So we got the expression for the kinetic energy. Now the second part of the question is plot a graph of the kinetic energy as a function of charge density lambda. So this is your expression for kinetic energy. So the B part we can write it as kinetic energy is equal to E lambda divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, right? Here kinetic energy is directly proportional to lambda, right? So we can say that Ke by lambda will be a constant, So if you plot a graph connecting kinetic energy and lambda, you will be getting a straight line. So here we can plot kinetic energy along y-axis and lambda along x-axis. So once you plot, you will be getting a straight line like this. So this is the second part of this question.